572 centimeters in feet? First of all, we need to know the value of 1 centimeter in feet. It's always 1 centimeter equals 0.03280839895 feet. Now we have to multiply 0.03280839895 by 572. Therefore, 572 centimeters times 0.03280839895 feet equals 18.7664041994 feet. So, in other words, 572 centimeters equals 18.7664041994 feet. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.